Everyone, I personally investigated the shocking incident, where 100,000 autonomous electric vehicles changed destinations simultaneously early this morning. You all probably saw the terrifying news that countless cars suddenly made U-turns on their way to work and rushed to unknown places. Manufacturers hurriedly announced that this was simply a temporary synchronization error in the main navigation server. However, the results of my direct analysis of the wireless update logs obtained from the dark web were completely different. This was not a simple system error, but a meticulous hacking crime where someone perfectly hijacked the vehicles. Honestly, when I first saw the arrangement of this malicious code with my own two eyes, I strongly suspected a fatal error. How on earth can 100,000 cars from different brands change direction to the exact same coordinates simultaneously? This clearly means someone's terrifying. Cyber terror to turn all cars on the road into massive physical weapons has begun. I will show you every single detail of the real mastermind and the hidden purpose behind this unprecedented hacking today. You will painfully realize that the convenient car you are riding in can transform into the most dangerous weapon. Now please open your eyes wide and focus closely on this flashing red warning. Monitor screen with me right here! To track down the fundamental background of this situation, I exhaustively scoured through all the traffic records of the network. Exactly 2 days before the incident, unidentified data had been continuously surging into vehicle servers in major cities worldwide. The officials completely mistook this massive traffic for a simple map system update and responded far too complacently. When I traced the origin of the data, I found traces that millions of zombie computers scattered across continents were mobilized. Everyone, can you clearly picture this terrifying, out-of-control situation vividly in your mind? Right now, at this exact moment, while we comfortably entrusted the steering wheel, a fierce hijacking battle had already begun on the invisible network. From what I found penetrating a control network of this scale requires at least several months of meticulous analysis. This means someone had been digging into vulnerabilities and holding their breath, waiting to induce perfect urban paralysis. As I checked these numerous hacking logs one by one, I was overwhelmed by extreme anxiety that sent shivers down my spine. I could not even guess what kind of gruesome chain reaction collision disaster would have occurred if they had removed speed limits. Aren't you truly terrified that the advanced autonomous driving system we trusted could be breached so easily today? However, as I dug deeper into the deep structure of this malicious code, the real surprise burst out from an unexpected place. When I painstakingly decrypted the commands that hijacked the vehicle control and tore it apart, it was incredibly marvelous. This code was on a completely different level from the ransomware or simple hacking viruses that we commonly knew before. Shockingly, the code itself was equipped with an artificial intelligence algorithm capable of self-learning to neutralize security. Every time the firewall created a new pattern, it perfectly seized the core by transforming its shape in a split second. Everyone, can you actually believe that a malicious code, like a living organism that evolves and breaks defenses, exists in reality? This is the unknown, terrifying software technology itself, far surpassing the ignorant level of simply executing inputted commands. When I ran a simulation of this artificial intelligence code's self-replicating pattern, a hollow laugh and a deep sigh escaped me. It felt exactly like releasing a perfect digital predator that exceeds human intelligence into a massive cyberspace while starving. Honestly, I felt a heavy sense of awe, far beyond immense fear, at this highly creative and incredibly destructive attack method. But this is absolutely not the end of the terrifying story. Everyone, please pay very close attention to this next part. While thoroughly investigating the cause of this horrifying, out-of-control situation, I discovered a paradox that made me furious. All 100,000 hacked vehicles had just updated the latest vaccine patch from a specific global security company a week ago. From what I carefully confirmed, a perfect backdoor that allowed hackers to enter freely was blatantly opened in this exact patch. What makes me even angrier is that the company thoroughly ignored it, despite being warned of this fatal danger 3 months ago. The security service provided for a massive amount of money to protect lives actually degenerated into the perfect detonator. I was so utterly dumbfounded and incredibly angry that I wanted to smash this cold keyboard right in front of me immediately. Isn't the greed of humans who ignored obvious disasters for their own shallow profits Far more disgusting than self-evolving AI? You probably cannot even guess how flabbergasted and furious I was, facing this highly ironic and completely infuriating situation. It is appalling that the hypocritical defense wall holding the lifeline of precious families was used as a tool to aid criminals. However, one of the largest and heaviest questions has clearly emerged here, constantly circling and never leaving my mind today. I firmly believe that you, who have been listening to my story, are also harboring the exact same reasonable doubts right now. Why on earth did a massive group with such tremendous hacking technology move these 100,000 cars to specific places? When I desperately traced back the destinations of the GPS coordinates, they manipulated, a truly incomprehensible mystery unfolded. Shockingly, they were moving beyond simply paralyzing road traffic and gathering vehicles. Where the nation's core power grids are, why did this massive organization meticulously design to turn innocent citizens' cars into giant physical barricades with resources? There must be a much larger and more terrifying physical strike plan, hidden behind the dark backdrop of this massive cyber terror. How could a simple system hack be so meticulously connected to an elaborate operation that directly threatens national infrastructure? The deeper I dig into the data, the more terrified I become of the deep abyss of this incident, and I wonder about their true target. But leaving all these massive mysteries and elaborate hacking conspiracies completely behind, the protagonists of the true tragedy are elsewhere. The people who ended up bearing the greatest fear and damage due to this terrifying, autonomous hijack terror are ordinary citizens. When I personally checked the black box videos inside the vehicles, countless innocent people were trapped inside in extreme fear, the tears of children crying while pounding on locked car doors and parents despairing for failing to protect their families were clear. While giant security companies and hackers fight dirty cyber wars on invisible networks, the first ones sacrificed are always citizens. The fact that all of us could become direct victims of this horrifying, unannounced digital disaster at any given moment hit me to the bone. I realized just how precarious our lives relying entirely on advanced technology, under the name of ultimate convenience, actually are today this cruel reality where our precious daily lives are held hostage by the prank of invisible codes is incredibly sad and frustrating. I truly believe that you will also deeply sympathize with this profound helplessness and sadness I feel looking at this black box screen. Everyone, the shocking truth of the autonomous EV hacking incident that I uncovered today is merely the beginning of a disaster. If we fail to stop this horrifying act of abusing advanced technology with human lives as collateral, our daily lives can turn into hell anytime. However, there is one thing I deeply realized and vowed to myself while relentlessly tracking down this highly dangerous cybercrime. We can only prevent the worst possible tragedy if we keep our eyes wide open and thoroughly monitor those seeking technological monopoly. I will persistently track down and relentlessly dig into the dizzying dark side of the digital world that giant corporations try to conceal. If they try to deceive us while hiding behind the curtain of high technology, we must fiercely fight back with sharp verification and doubt. If you found this critically important breaking news engaging, I earnestly ask you to press the button and subscribe to my channel right now. Your active sharing will bring this massive truth out into the world and become the strongest shield to protect innocent lives tomorrow. Next time, I will uncover the true identity of the mastermind organization that ordered this hack and vividly inform you before anyone else. Our future depends on our resolve.